Good morning, students. You are watching Classic Science, chapter number 2, Components of Food, part 4. Dear student, in the last video, we discussed vitamins, types of vitamins, fat soluble vitamins, and water. Dear students, carrots, corn, oranges, eggs, these are the source of vitamins. Dear students, in this video, we will discuss fat soluble and water soluble vitamins. So, let's start. Turn your page, dear students. Fat soluble vitamins are vitamins A, D, E, and K. Dear students, vitamins A, D, E, and K are what? Fat soluble vitamins. They are stored in a fat tissue of organs like liver, kidney, and muscles. Dear students, fat soluble vitamins will not be lost when the food that contain them are cooked. Dear students, the body does not need these vitamins every day, so and stores then the in the liver and the adipose tissue when it is not used. These vitamins are used whenever the body needs them. I earlier told you the body does not need these vitamins every day. For example, maintenance of skin and bones or else they remain stored in the tissue. Now come to the next. Water soluble vitamins are vitamins B1, B2, B3, B6 and B12 and C. These vitamins cannot be prepared and stored in our body. We get these from the different types of nutritious food items that we eat. Dear students, each vitamins occur in a particular kind of food and perform a specific function. So let's study the source of and the function of these each of vitamins in given the table. So let's start the table below. Show the different kinds of vitamins and their sources. Dear students, vitamin A, orange, ripe yellow fruits, leafy vegetables, carrot, pumpkin, squash, spinach, liver, soy milk and milk. Dear students, these are the vitamins and these are the sources of vitamins. Come to the next. Vitamin B complex, B1, B2, B3, B6 and B12. Dear students, oatmeals, hugs of rice, milk product, broccoli, leafy vegetables, fish, unpolished cereals, egg, meats and fish. These are the sources of vitamin B complex. Dear students, here I also tell you function of these vitamins A and B. Dear students, vitamins A maintain healthy eyesight, proper growth, healthy skin. Even then also vitamin B1, B2 and B3 help to proper functioning of the digestive system, heart, nerves and the muscles, keeps the skin healthy, necessary for maintaining healthy skin and proper function of digestive system. Now come to the next, dear students, vitamin C. What are the source? Many fruits, especially citrus fruits like orange, lemon and vegetables. Vitamin D, fish, egg, liver and mushroom. Dear students, what is the function of vitamin C? Dear student, first we discuss the function of vitamin C. Necessary for the keeping teeth and bones health. It is increase the resistance of our body to infection, to help fight against disease. So come to the next, vitamin D, fish, egg, liver and mushroom. Dear students, what is the function of vitamin D? Essential for the growth and the bones of teeth. Vitamin C, vegetables oil, nuts and seeds, wheat grams, yam and green leafy vegetables. Dear students, what is the function of D? Vitamins E, essential for the normal functioning of muscles and protection of liver. Come to the vitamin EK, green leafy vegetables such as spinach, egg yolk and liver. Dear students, vitamins necessary for the normal clotting of a blood. Vitamin K is necessary. Dear students, now come to the benefit of these vitamins. Come to the A. Vitamin D help our body to absorb the amount of calcium required to strength of our bones. Dear students, I earlier told you that is essential for normal health of a bone and teeth. Vitamin A is needed for healthy eyes and skin. Come to the next C. Vitamin E is needed for absorption of vitamin A and protection of our body against the harmful substances. Dear students, we know very well that vitamins E is found in a green leaves, milk, butter and cereals, grains, vegetables, oil and in the liver, and it is very essential for normal functioning of the muscles and the protection of liver. Now come to the next, vitamin B complex assists in a providing energy in production of a red blood cells and for the proper functioning of nervous system. Dear students, vitamin B help in proper functioning of digestive system, heart and nerves and the muscles. It keeps us skin healthy, necessary for maintaining healthy skin, proper functioning of digestive system. Now come to the E. Bones in our body needs vitamins A, D and K to be strong. Dear students, it is also necessary for the bones and for the strong teeth even then also. So dear students, now you understood the benefit of vitamins. Come to the minerals. Minerals are required for making our bones strong, building muscles and proper functioning of the body. Dear students, I will tell you, minerals are the nutrients required by our body for its proper functioning and normal growth and good health. Minerals do not supply energy to our body. There are two types of minerals, major minerals and trace minerals. Dear students, there are two types of minerals. That major minerals is also called macro minerals and trace minerals. So come to the first. They are grouped based on the requirement of the body. Come to the major minerals, which is also called macro minerals, are required in a high quantity by the body. For example, calcium, chlorine, magnesium and phosphorus. They are required. I will tell you even then students, function of calcium and chlorine. Dear students, yes, calcium, chlorine, magnesium and phosphorus. Dear students, calcium is essential for formation of and hardening of bones and teeth, play an important role in clotting of blood even then also. Same thing, if we are talking phosphorus, essential for the contraction of muscles and transmission of nerve impulse. Dear students, now come to the next. Trace minerals are needed by the body in a very less amount. For example, iron. Dear student, essential for the forming of hemoglobin in the red blood cells. Hemoglobin carry oxygen from the lungs to the different body cells. Zinc, cobalt, copper and iodine. Dear students, iodine is essential for formation of thyroxine hormones secreted by thyroid gland present in the neck region. This hormones controls physical, mental, and sexual development of our body. These sources of minerals are milk product, green leaf vegetables, meat, fruits, seeds, and pulses. Dear students, hope you understood these paragraphs, and your homework is you have to read the page number 22 carefully. Thank you, students.